Good afternoon, everyone. I have something to tell you. So this afternoon, I will not around because I have something to do. But don't be happy. I will give you a task or assignment. But first, I will discuss you the basic tools of agriculture because this is your topic this afternoon. Because our topic that we discussed our last meeting is all about the agriculture. So now that we discuss about the basic tools of agriculture. So first is our objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to discuss the basic tools of agriculture, value the importance of use the basic tools of agriculture, and the last C, demonstrate so the use of basic tools of agriculture. So to finish this discussion, so I will give you a task. So in a same group because I know that you have already a group na, right? So in this discussion, we're talking about the basic tools of agriculture. So the first one, the basic tools is that is we call machete. So machete is used to cut undergrowth, bus, and small trees. So this is very common for use these tools in our area when we clearing our like buses, small trees. So that is very important to use machete. So and the next one is axe. So this axe is used for clearing bushes, bamboo, and excessive growth of lands or farmlands. So this is also very helpful to cut for those big trees. So they're right. So and then the last, the next is sprayer. So used to spray liquids such as pesticides or fertilizer in plants. So this is also very helpful if you want to plant like crops or in any crops rather. So this sprayers is very common tools using to our farmland, right? So the purpose of sprayers to loosen the small trees or any grass under your farm area. So the next one is plow. So plow is used for loosening or turning the soil before sowing seed or planting. So this is also very effective when we planting seeds. So if you are done clearing your area, so you just plow it using the carabaos and the plow to loosen the soil. So and then you can do it to plant the seeds. So understood. So now the last part is bulo. So bulo is used for common useful to our area. So not only in our farm area, we also in our house, right? So for example, your backyard, your front yard, if you something is very have many grass or bushes, so we use the bulo to loosen it or cut, not to clear it. So understand? So good. So now in the same group, I will tell you later. So will you pass next week? So because now I will not around, so next week we're going to pass it. So this activity, so that is called demonstrate. So what you're going to do is you demonstrate the basic tools uses of agriculture or tools. So the group 1, so demonstrate the use basic tools in agriculture. So that is your task, group 1. And then the group 2, so team crowbar. So it's early morning. This early morning on Saturday. So that is we call role play rather. So group 1 is demonstrate the basic tools. The group 2 is role play, and the group 3 is matching type. So don't worry for that because I will send you later a PPT, your task, what you're going to do. So I will send you later for your task, and then I will give you a quizzes. So after this discussion, I will give you a quizzes. So please be prepared because this quizzes is I will give you 5 minutes to answer. And I will send you also that Google Docs for our quizzes or online quizzes. So I will send you later. So that's all for discussion today. So this afternoon. So thank you everyone. So, bye.